Wagwan, what's up? What a guan? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Nisha, and if you're new, welcome. This is part 2. For you don't know the things that are this the title, we're gonna go into the video. We're gonna talk about things and how to speak like a Jamaican, as well as history behind it. Alright, remember to subscribe to join the Nisha James family, and of course like, share it with somebody, leave a comment, and of course you can go ahead and donate. Boom bang. As a proud Jamaican, I'm happy to say that, a lot of people love our accent, and not only that, our food as well as our music and the running part of it. Jamaica, of course, is a third world and a developing country, and yes, I get a lot of questions asking us if I live on the beach or we go beach every day. Nothing like that. But you soon will know more in depth about Jamaica as we do these videos. Now Jamaica, this is Jamaica coat of arm. Of course, it was given to us by the Queen herself, the royal people, of course, and out of many one people, I soon got deep into that one day and make it know. But must forget a little thing from it. Out of many one people, we all are one, right? Now for today, we're going to go into our parts of the body in Patois. Get your pen, your paper ready. Finger. Remember, the expression too has to do with the finger and the whole accent, Jamaican accent. I must say that I get a lot of compliments with the accent there. We don't really hear it because I don't hear it, but yeah, I'm a Jamaican, so I won't. So the next time you come to Jamaica, or if you're even here in Jamaica, you don't really too much in the patois, you can't say it. Alright, so finger, your finger, them I give you trouble. Simple mean you love to, you're stealing, or to take up things that don't belong to you. Alright, so the next word now is knee cup. Knee. So the patois is knee cup. English, knee. Knee cup. Your knee cup them. Your knee cup them big like donkey back, or donkey foot, or donkey knee cup. Yeah, where we get back from? But yeah, you get what me say. But we don't say knee that much, we say knee cup. So patois, knee cup. Knee cup is the same thing as saying knee. And if you want to speak on both someone else, you want to describe somebody foot, knee them, well, keep on saying foot. You say knee cup them. Alright? So just remember, and as I said to you, expression. They want it to be more out there. We Jamaicans, we are vibrant, and even when we are angry, you will see a whole heap of drama, fun drama too, not just sad, but you'll see the whole expression thing come to another level. Now the other word is navel. And a lot of Jamaican, even in interviews on the television, I hear people get that wrong. They say your navel or navel. And this is navel. So that's what we are. Most Jamaican don't say navel. I know for a fact, because sometimes I'm guilty of not saying navel. Yes, people, the English word is navel. So at the same time, I'm helping my Jamaicans out there, because some Jamaican, I remember, did a Patois video. It is also going to be linked to this one, where somebody did not know that the word with X-ray and X-ray. Yes, it's also linked, and a whole heap of things people don't really know. I mean, then. Yeah, I must say not know, because the person said I'm a Jamaican and I did not know that. And I still can't say the word for certificate in Patois. So I'm still struggling and trying to get my tongue all around that. But this one is navel. Navel. You navel them DP or you navel deep. We always say them even when it's not supposed to be. And this one is hand. For some reason, Jamaican, we always take away the H off word, and we put H on things that don't really, not supposed to have H. But hand and. Hand and. So the patois for hand is an. Wow. What can I say for the English? Hand. Patois and. Alright, guys, I just want to take this time out to say, please remember to like, share this video as well, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. So now we have come to the end of another patois time or patois day. Yeah, that's what I used to say. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please be safe and stay tuned to our next video on Friday. Bye.